So this is our Pocahontas Indian type of sexy shoot. You know what I'm saying? We have our, once again, tassels.
Run it up, run it up. Make them niggas wanna give a fuck. Make them niggas wanna get some butt. Make them niggas wanna show what's up. Run it up.
What's the deal, y'all? It's your girl, Chingaling, and it's Thang, back again with another video for my build. Today, I'm coming to y'all with a crafty video, and it's super amazing because I'm about to go on set, do a photo shoot for a calendar, and the theme is Indian theme. So, I have so many ideas. I had to go out and find some stuff because getting it at the last minute, I mean, I could have just went and got a, you know, costume or something and like maybe altered it and stuff like that, but I want to be a little more hands-on, okay? And I'm like, look, let's just make the pieces that we need. It is gonna be two outfits, so one is going to be for me and one is gonna be for the other girl. So I'm gonna show y'all a couple of the items that we have for this video. But before we hop in, stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit the bell on the side, that way you never, ever miss an upload from your girl. Whoo, yeah, whoo, yeah, whoo, yeah, okay? So first things first, y'all, I'm going to show you a couple of the items that I have for the video. Okay, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram at I am Ching. Okay, hit it up. And if y'all are wondering, the shaper I am wearing is from Bay Fashion, and you guys can go get it. I have the link in the description below for y'all. They're super good, super durable, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I do have a discount code. You save 20 and you'll save 20% off your whole order, girl. Okay, so first I have this skirt, in which I'm going to make into two different skirts, two short skirts. It is kind of a sexy Indian shoot, so it will be sexy, okay? So short skirt is okay. I have two pieces of fur, because we all know tribes and Indians wear a lot of fur and stuff like that, or have a lot of fur. I have this little fur ball, and I'm going to use this for a necklace. I have some ash, rifa, whatever. It just look like wood or like branches, and I'm gonna use that to wrap some stuff. And then I have suede lace, okay? I will have a link to all of these items in the description below so that you guys can find it and get to them and purchase them, okay? And here, which was probably the most expensive, was this here feather or whatnot. And this is also going to be part of a necklace type of thing. So, just so that we will look different, you know, we do have different pieces that we're going to be wearing, so I'm going to be making different pieces for each of us, okay? Now, I do have some items that was bought, and I got these from the a costume store, but I'll also have a link for these down below for y'all to find something similar to this. So this is pretty much a waist cincher, but it will be used as a shirt. And then we have the Indian headbands type of thing, in which we both have one of those. And then we also both have these boot covers, these Indian style boot covers. So we also will both have these. And I feel like that's going to give it an Indian type of feel, you know? Okay, y'all, so I am going to show you how the finished product look. I'm going to show you each outfit. So yeah, let's hop straight in. Right now, you're just going to see me working with the stuff. So the first thing I'm going to work on is the shirt. This fur is going to be used as two breast cups. And I'm going to make it like a bikini style shirt. Do that make sense? So that's what this is going to be used for. This extra stuff is going to be for the necklaces. And then this wrap is pretty much going to be used to wrap around the necklace, just to give it a more natural, earthy look. And then we have the suede, and this is going to be used for the skirts, to probably cinch the skirts, and also for the straps in the shirt. So let's get started. Okay. Okay, so y'all, this was super fun. It was super easy. Like I said, it's for a shoot, so it's meant to be creative, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, it was easy. So I just want to show you guys, if you ever want to make something to create a look or like an Indian look, this is what you can do. Okay, so like I said, the shoot actually has 2 girls. This is going to be one of the necklaces. Okay, this is one of the necklaces. It's going to be choker style. I could have probably made it longer, but I don't think nobody's neck gonna be bigger than this. I hope not. But the other one I probably will make longer. That's not for me. So this is one of the necklaces. Here is another necklace. It's a little ball, fur ball, which is cool. Or it could be a wristband or something like that. It don't have to be a necklace. So pretty much, this was one skirt. So I'm gonna leave one of the skirts bare, and we made the tassels at the end for one girl, and then the other girl, we have the other half of the skirt upside down. And what I did was I fished this thread through there, or like this earthy looking material. It looked like branches through there. I thought that would be super dope since it's an Indian and like nature and, you know what I'm saying, look. So now we have a drawstring pretty much made out of that, just to make sure the waist is cinched enough. So last but not least, we created us a top. This is of course covering the boobs here, and then you have your fur, whatever, whatnot. I think this is super dope, and you tie it around the neck here, and then the back you tie this part around the back. So let me put this stuff on for y'all so I can show y'all what each item looks like on. Okay, right back. Okay y'all, so here is the top. I would definitely recommend wearing pasties with it, but this is what it looks like. Like I said, very simple y'all. This is the necklace. Okay, and here is the actual headband. Ooh, Pocahontas style. Now I do need to redo the band in this skirt because it broke. So I will be doing that, but this is the overall look. And yes, I do have these on, the tassels. So this is our Pocahontas Indian type of sexy shoot. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Here we have our, once again, tassels. Of course, your girl makeup gotta be done and all of that. Okay. Stop playing, let's get it. I like it. Comment down below what y'all think. It's a quick little craft if you want to do something. I definitely would recommend when you wear stuff like this to have like some pasties on, some nipple covers and things like that. So yeah, what y'all think? Comment down below. I'm going to also throw on the other outfit and show you the other look as well. The tassels. This is the other look. See it? Sexy Indian. I might actually use this as a wristband instead. So yeah, comment down below y'all favorite and let me know what y'all think. Ooh. She will also have on the head, you know, thing or whatever. And yeah, that's what it is, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me which one is your favorite. Sexy, sassy Indian look. Sassy Indian look. This is actually a waist belt that you pull from the back. But yeah, it serves its purpose as a top. Little boobies. Matter. So yeah, I'm not really feeling this. Maybe if it dropped down a little more, it'll probably be cuter. So either have it drop down more or use it as a wrist, like a wrist bobble. And I think that'll be it. So comment down below, y'all. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. I really hope you found it useful, found it helpful, and I do know it's Halloween time, so I know a lot of the Indian outfits sell fast because every store I went to, it was literally no Indian outfits available. So I had to come together and create and piece together my own type of outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. And yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the bell on the side, that way you never, ever miss an upload. And as always, my bills. It's your girl, Chingaling, and it's Thang, and I will be back again with another one. Bye, y'all.